Hi, it's Johnny here, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am going through some embellishments that I made and also some gifts and how I used the Amy J Delightful printables, and I just printed a bunch of them out and created my own packaging for my gifts for some Happy Mail that I'm sending out. So I'm going to kind of go through some of the things that I made. These were some peppermint marshmallows, and so I just thought because they were pink, I thought they'd be so cute. And I made this little bag topper using the printables, and then I typed this up on my computer and just cut it out. And there's some like little glitter stones and a little clip on there holding the die cut. So that is that one. And this is all for two because I'm sending out 2 Happy Mails. And sorry about the glare, but it's plastic packaging, and I was trying to figure out how to get rid of the glare and also all the shadowing. I don't understand why there's so much shadowing, but anyway, okay, so forget about that. Then I found this pretty pink and aqua and gold wrapping paper. So I wrapped this little gift, and I used, again, the tree printable. I made this on my computer, and then I used this trim from Hobby Lobby. It was snowflake flock trim, and just kind of decorated the package. These two right here, I made like little shakers with the tiny little pom-poms from Hobby Lobby. And then these, I hung off some little tassels off the top that I just kind of grommeted in there. And then I used some chipboard elements. These again are the printables and a little bit of tulle. And then I just kind of scrunched up some crepe paper, and yeah. So I think these came out really, really cute. Then to put a little bit of sweets in there for some Smarties, which are pastel color also, I ended up making these into shaker elements. They can always open them up, and they can save all the little sequins and stuff and make their own shakers. And then I used the crepe paper and made some little circles with it. I took some thread and some stickers, and then the Amy J Delightful printables again on there. These I did, I found these pink packages of foot masks. So in the winter, you know, your feet get all dry, and it'll be a way of just treating your feet. And I took the printable, I put it on the inside. I did this little for your toesies on my computer, and then I put in some little mini pom-poms and some of the shred and some of this packaging, tinsel packaging, which it's kind of hanging off the back. That was a little, yeah, odd. And then this is another printable from her collection, and I have these little sequined little Christmas balls, and I hung those on. I punched a hole and then put a grommet in there, and then I took some baker's twine and made a little bow to hang off of that. And then here is some packaging that I did with the printables again, and then I put a little bag of the printable die cuts and then some sequins in there. There's a little bit of tulle, and then I just kind of layered these up with foam dots. And then I put in some of that packaging, the holographic packaging. And I love how these turned out. I love making my own embellishments. And so I did like a 4-pack of embellishments. There's a heart, I crocheted a little heart and put it on a paper clip. There's an altered paper clip right here. And then there's 2 of these embellishments that they can add to whatever they want. And I put them down on here with a little bit of like a glue dot just to hold them in place so they wouldn't go flying around in the packaging. And then I again made this a little shaker. And then my tag topper, I cut this out, I corner rounded it, folded it over the top, and then I stitched around it just to add a little bit of something. And then I put some of the printables up on pop dots and added some little rhinestones to accent the bows on the packages. And then I just got them some ornaments to put on their tree, and all I did was put these in some packaging with some of that green, seafoam green crinkle stuff. So if you want to see how to make your own packaging for your own embellishments, if you'd like me to demonstrate how to do it, you just leave me a comment down below, and I'd be happy to come in and show you how to make the little rosettes, or how to make like these tag toppers. I can show you how to do that. And yeah, so that was so much fun. I encourage you to get out your craft supplies. And the really cool thing I find about printables is that you can it's a one-off purchase, and then you can print as many as you want, and it's great for when you're doing mass making, especially for gifts. So have a great holiday, and I will see you soon.